Hi, so one of the questions that I've been asked about my TMJ, total joint replacement and discectomy, was did I experience any side effects from the procedure? Yes, so I have. I cannot raise my right eyebrow, my left eyebrow, so only one goes up. But apparently this is going to go away, so I can keep you updated on that. Second of all, I have what I've developed is called first bite syndrome, my surgeon has told me. It is where I take the first few bites of my food or my drinks, and I get excruciating 20 out of 10 pain for a few seconds, and then it eases over the next few bites, and then it's gone. So I've been told that this is a rare complication that can happen, and it should ease in the next few weeks, and I hope so. And I will update you on that. But other than those two things, which should resolve, nothing else. The procedure went as planned and is going as planned in recovery. So the pluses are my teeth are aligned. So my teeth are the first time aligning, where my jaw was completely crooked, and like my face was not aligned. So I'll take that as a win. And all right, any questions you need answered, please ask, and I'll do some videos.